So now let's solve the problem. Our first step is to find out support reactions. So we make use of static equilibrium equation. Now since there are three unknowns with VA, HA and VD, we require three static equilibrium equation to determine all the unknowns completely. So the static equilibrium equation which will be used is summation of all moment about any point is equal to 0. Then summation of all the vertical forces will be equal to 0. And summation of all horizontal forces will be equal to 0. We now take the first static equilibrium equation into consideration, that is summation of moment about any point equal to 0, and let that point be point A. This is equal to 0. Now writing the expression for all the moments about point, our sign convention is clockwise moment positive and anti-clockwise moment negative. So we have first clockwise moment caused due to this UDL whose magnitude is 8 multiplied by 5. It is acting at the center of this span, meaning that 2.5 meter from point A. So we have 8 into 5 into 2.5. Then we have an anti-clockwise moment of 10 kilonewton meter, so minus 10. Then we'll have the clockwise moment due to the vertical component of this force, whose magnitude will be 20 sine 60 multiplied by the distance, which will be 7 meter from point A. So we have plus 20 sine 60 multiplied by 7. Then there is an anti-clockwise moment of 4 kilonewton meter, so minus 4. Then there will be an anti-clockwise moment caused due to this vertical support reaction VD, which is upward, and it is acting at a distance of 5 plus 2 plus 3, which is 10 meter from point A. So we have minus VD into 10. Then we also have a clockwise moment due to the vertical component of this force of 12 kilonewton, and the magnitude of that moment will be 12 multiplied by sine 45, and this force acting at a distance of 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 13 meter from point A. So we have plus 12 into sine 45 multiplied by 13. Now this is the summation of all moments about point A. Let me equate it with 0. Now we see that in this equation there is only one unknown VD. Now after solving this, we get the value of VD equal to 32.55 kilonewton. Since the value comes out to be positive, hence the assumed direction of VD is upward, is true, and it is upward. Now let's apply the second static equilibrium equation, which is summation of all vertical force, that is Fy equal to 0. So our sign convention here is all upward forces are positive and all downward forces are negative. So we have two upward forces which are support reactions at point A and D. So we have VA plus VD, since both are upward. Then we have this downward force caused due to this UDL, whose magnitude is 8 multiplied by 5. Then there is a vertical downward force of 20 multiplied by sine 60. So we have minus 20 multiplied by sine 60. Then we have a downward force of 12 multiplied by sine 45. So minus 12 multiplied by sine 45. So these are all the vertical forces acting on the beam. Let me equate it with 0. So in this equation, if we substitute the value of VD equal to 32.55 kilonewton, the only unknown will be VA, and by solving this we get the value of VA equal to 33.25 kilonewton positive. So since it is positive, our assumed direction of VA is correct, that is, it is upward. Next we use the third static equilibrium equation, which is summation of all horizontal force equal to 0, that is summation of Fx is equal to 0. Now we take into consideration all the horizontal forces. So our sign convention is all rightward forces are positive and all leftward forces are negative. So here we see we have the first rightward force, which is horizontal support reaction at point A. So we have HA. Then here we have at point C a leftward force of 20 cos 60. So we have minus 20 into cos 60. Then again at point E we have a rightward force of 12 multiplied by cos 45. So we have plus 12 into cos 45. Now this is all horizontal forces acting on the beam. Let me equate it with 0. The only unknown here is HA. So upon solving this, we get the value of HA is equal to 1.51 kilonewton. Now since its value comes out to be positive, this support reaction, horizontal support reaction HA is rightward. So with this, our support reaction calculation is over.